Again, so the things that you want and the people that have them are in this world that you live in, fam. You know, if you want quick success in life, why wait around completely alone? Go to the people that are in your sphere of influence and go invite correction. Go and ask for rebuke and do it with eagerness and not just tips, but correction. All right? And that is how you improve, and that's how you climb, fam. So that's it. I really appreciate everyone who likes, comments, and subscribes. It means a lot to me. Goal of mine is to get to 1,000 subscribers. I really do need your help out there, so I would appreciate it. If you are enjoying it, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out and you don't miss my face. And Radio fam, welcome back to day 38 of the one video a day for 100 days. This is Win with Damien presenting to you a SalesVision Business Game. If you want to learn more, check out the details below. Get into the Facebook link and reach out to me on Facebook. Let's have a chat. Today, happy days, we are continuing on with the 21 ancient secrets of entrepreneurial leadership. We're up to secret 11. We're over the halfway mark. Let's get into it. Quick and permanent success. He who is often rebuked and hardens his neck will be quickly destroyed without recovery. He who is often rebuked and hardens his neck will be quickly destroyed without recovery. Proverbs 29:1. A little bit like me lately. Stiff neck, friggin' hell. But we are not a stiff neck in life. Let's have a seat. Let's have a look. Let's get into it and take it apart as we do. He who is often rebuked, hardens his neck, will be quickly destroyed without recovery. You've got this person and several people rebuke him. They're coming down on him. This person, you've got to do it different. You're not doing it right. You've got to do it this way. Normally, it's coming from a moral compass or it's a strategy thing that they're doing. But he who is rebuked and hardens his neck, what this means is, instead of bending the neck, going with the flow, taking the criticism on board, what's happening is he's putting up a wall and he's saying, no, nah. And because of this, you turn your head, you are most likely to run away, and you can't take the blows. You won't take the blows, you reject them. He who is rebuked and hardens the neck will be quickly destroyed without recovery. What's going to happen when these teachings come through of this person and they don't take them? What he's going to do, he's going to be destroyed. There will be no recovery in it. This will be happening because society will be going, I told you so, I told you so, told you so, I told you this would happen. Then the man is pretty much laying down and destroyed without any remedy. So what we're going to do here, fam, is we're going to do a bit of verbiage flippage. Kudos to Mark Horverson for this. Love it. We're going to flip what we just spoke about. We're going to flip the verbiage. So let's quickly run back up. He who is often rebuked, hardens his neck, will be quickly destroyed without recovery. Let's flip that verbiage. All right? So he who goes in search of rebuke and correction and receives it with eagerness will be quickly promoted, established in permanent fashion. Wowee. Secret number 11 is quick and permanent success. This means no matter where you are right now, I promise, especially when it comes to business, there are people right now, if you would just go and seek them out and ask for their rebuke, say, what am I doing wrong here? Or where could I improve here? Knowing me the way you do, what could I do better to be more like you? You want to be finding the people who are wise, people who you want to be like, people who you aspire to be like. And then what you do is you go in search of it. You go in search of rebuke. What can I do better? I mean, if we have a look at it, fam, we look into life, put yourself in a position. Where have you ever been in a position that people come up and say this sort of thing? I mean, it's as rare as a flying pig, fam. I mean, you just don't see people coming up and asking for it. So what we want to do is we want to go out there and ask for rebuke. What am I missing? Is there anything I'm not getting? And I give you permission to give it to me straight and give me constructive criticism so I can get on with it. So again, what is my deal? How can I improve on it? You go out and search for it, you find it. Whoever you want to be like, whoever you want to aspire to be, like I said, it could be an employee, it could be a mentor. As I said, give them permission. Because if you do, what's going to happen, if you search for it with eagerness and you don't bend your neck, and if you start justifying it and you go, well, it's this and it's that and it was this, what you're doing, fam, is you're just making a big excuse party. And you're just creating that party, and it's getting bigger. The more excuses you throw down into that, it's growing. So if you cut out those excuses and you don't go to that party, you're going to be quickly promoted. And that's the way you go quick, and that's how you get established, and that's how you get permanent success. So think about it, guys. If you're looking to improve your business skill set, look for someone in business that has a thriving business, has high margin with income, and go and ask them, what are you missing in terms of the mindset that I need, or the marketing that I need to be doing, or how could I improve my ad copy, or blah 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 blah. If you're looking to improve your health in your life, go find a health expert, a fitness coach, and go and ask them, how can I get my health better? How can I improve my health? And these people, if it's spiritual, or you're seeking God, or you're seeking, that whatever it might be in that realm, ask them, where am I sort of missing the boat in this? You've got to go and ask questions, and you've got to go ask for help and improve. So the things that you want and the people that have them are in this world that you live in, fam. If you want quick success in life, why wait around completely alone? Go to the people that are in your sphere of influence and go invite correction. Go and ask for rebuke, and do it with eagerness, and not just tips, but correction. All right? That is how you improve, and that's how you climb, fam. So that's it for me today. That's it. I really appreciate everyone who likes, comments, and subscribes. It means a lot to me. Goal of mine is to get to 1,000 subscribers. I really do need your help out there, so I would appreciate it. If you are enjoying it, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out and you don't miss my face, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 39.